I'm Daryl Schultz for the Primo Ceramic Grills channel. Today we're going to look at how to replace the thermometer. As many of you know, Primo has developed a new thermometer. It's about 50% larger and it can be calibrated. With that, the probe is actually about twice as large as the previous thermometer model. So what I'm going to show you today is how to easily install that. Many of you have you're a little bit leery about how to drill into the ceramics, so I'm going to take you through each step. It's just two simple tools and a bath towel. It takes just a couple minutes to do, and so I'm going to give you some pointers on doing that. And so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to remove this old thermometer. It's very simple to do. There's a small retaining clip underneath here, and all you have to do is reach in, push up on it, and push down, and that removes that retaining clip. And we can just remove that thermometer. Now, as you see here, we've got about a 3/16 inch hole right here, and we're going to be using this masonry bit. This is available at any hardware store. It's a 3/8 inch masonry bit. You can't use a regular drill bit for this, for metal or for wood. This is made specifically to cut into brick, concrete, ceramics. And so what we're going to do in the next couple steps is I'm going to insert this into the cordless drill. We're going to insert the bath towel, and I'm going to give you a few pointers on how to drill it. I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, we're back, and what I've gone ahead and done is I've inserted that drill bit into the driver. I'm going to take this bath towel. This is just for easy cleanup. You're going to get a little bit of ceramic dust that comes through, and so I just place that on there, and then we'll just go ahead and shut the dome. Now, one of the things I want to show you, the first important step is set it on the lowest setting. You don't need to spin very fast, and you do want to make sure that the driver is set to go clockwise, because that's going to drill in to the ceramic material. Now, the second tip that I have is you don't want to create a lot of pressure on that. You want to let the tool do the work. Just very light pressure. As you see material being removed from it, it is working, and especially you want to use light pressure once you feel that you've gone almost to the end. Using heavy pressure at the end, you can actually chip the inside of the dome. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now we're going to get ready to remove some of the material. You just want to place the tip of that drill bit right on top of the hole. And one important thing to do is make sure that you're perpendicular to the dome of the grill. You don't want to be off to one side, you don't want to be down. You want to try and get as 90-degree angle as close as possible. And then you're just going to start to rotate that drill bit, and it will start removing some of the material. Alright, I think I'm pretty close to being done. The dome thickness is about 3/4 of an inch, and I can see that I'm just about through, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more light pressure, and that will bring me all the way through the dome. There it is. Alright, so we've made our hole now, and we can just lift up the dome. You can see that little bit of powder on there. That's from the remaining ceramics, and we had no chips through it. So what I'm going to do right now is just remove this, shake it out off to the side, and we'll go ahead and just wipe down the front of the grill, move any of that dust material, and now we're ready to install the new thermometer. Now, this new model does not have a retaining clip. It actually uses a wing nut and a washer. I'm going to go ahead and show you that on the back. So you've got both of these, so you just want to unscrew this wing nut, take that completely off with the washer, and those two pieces are actually going to go inside the grill. Okay, now we're going to install the new thermometer. I'm just going to set that right inside there, and the next step is to lift the dome, and we are going to attach it with the washer and the wing nut. Alright, so now that we've got the thermometer in the dome, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the washer and the wing nut, and I put those both together. It just makes it easier to put on the probe, slide that back up, and then start to turn the wing nut until it threads, and then it's just a matter of tightening it up, and you want to make sure that your thermometer is centered, and then just make sure that that's snug, and we are done. So as you can see, installing the thermometer is not really a difficult process. I hope this video was helpful to you. And just remember, if you do have any questions about Primo, about this video, We'd be happy to answer your questions. Just go to primogrill.com and look under the contact page. Thanks for watching.